If you want to use Live Transcribe on a Google Pixel 11, first you want to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Accessibility. Now over here in Accessibility, you should be able to find the Live Transcribe option here in the Captions section. So we want to go over here, then you can, for example, create the shortcut to have a quicker access to the Live Transcribe, but also you can just tap on this button here, open Live Transcribe. And of course, remember to grant all of these necessary permissions to be able to actually use the Live Transcribe feature. There we go. Here we should be able to, for example, use even the sign language, which seems to be a new feature. Besides that, you can open the keyboard if needed. You can toggle the text to speech, and also we can choose the language that we want to use with the Live Transcribe option. And also we can go to the settings over here to, let's say, adjust the font size. We can activate the hold button, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there are a couple of different settings that we can use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.